Imagine that you have to convince your parents to let you attend a sleepover. What are the points that you need to tell them? How can you assure them that you are responsible enough to handle being away from home with your friends? How will you emphasize certain significant reasons as to why they should allow you to go? Hello there, students! Welcome to our virtual English class. Today, we'll talk about emphasizing a point. When you read, you most likely find yourself looking for the important ideas or key points of the passage. You have probably also used highlighters in order to make sure these ideas stand out on the page. When writing persuasively, you may find that there are ideas that you would like to emphasize. It is thus important that you are able to highlight those points in order for readers to easily notice and recognize them as important. There are 3 ways that you can use to emphasize your ideas in persuasive writing: transition words, adverbs, and identical pairs. Transition words. You can emphasize your ideas using transition words. In emphasizing a point, transition words can be used to signal readers that an important idea is coming next. Transition words also connect the writer's ideas together and help them flow smoothly from one sentence to another or from one paragraph to the next. Here are some transitional words you can use. In fact, which means in reality. It is used to add more detailed information to what has already been mentioned. Again, this transition word is used to repeat or restate a point. To point out, it is used to provide specific details for a general point. For this reason, this transition is used to signal that the previous statement is the cause and the next statement will state the result or consequence. In general, it is used to state a general statement summarizing all the ideas included in that particular paragraph or statement. On the positive side, it is used to state something positive after giving information that is usually negative. In addition, it is used to add information or ideas. Consequently, this shows the result of something. In conclusion, this transition is used to show the final statement of a certain idea. Adverbs. Aside from transition words, we can also emphasize ideas using adverbs. Adverbs may be used as emphatic intensifiers, meaning they are used to emphasize something. They help make an idea stand out. In emphatic phrases, the adverb is always placed before the verb or adjective. The following are some adverbs that are commonly used as emphatic intensifiers. Sincerely. This adverb is used to express something with honesty and truthfulness. Using the adverb sincerely shows how sincere or genuine the speaker is. Positively, totally, fully, and utterly. These adverbs are used to show the highest degree of something. Really, deeply, and very much. These adverbs are used to extremely or strongly express something. Aside from transition words and adverbs, we can also use identical pairs to emphasize our points or ideas. Identical pairs are expressions in which a word is repeated in order to emphasize the idea being stated. These are often used in conversations and informal writing. The following are some examples of identical pairs. Again and again, and over. These identical pairs are used to show repetition for the purpose of emphasis. Round and round. It means in circles. If you say that something is going round and round in your head, you mean that you can't stop thinking about it. Little by little. If something happens little by little, it means gradually, slowly, or step by step. On and on. This identical pair means that something is continuously happening for a long time. Day after day. If something happens day after day, it means every day or without stopping. Word for word. Word for word means using exactly the same words. All in all. This identical pair is used to consider everything. To review, we have discussed 3 ways to emphasize a certain point or idea. These are transition words, adverbs, and identical pairs. Emphasis in writing is important not only to maintain interest but also to help readers easily understand which ideas are the most important. Emphasizing ideas is not only used for writing, it is also applicable when we communicate with other people. Every time we want to highlight something from our message, we tend to use emphatic words which help us easily convey our thoughts. Now, how can you apply this lesson in persuading your classmates to use time wisely? And that ends our lesson for today. Thanks for joining me. This has been Teacher Lay for ClickGen.